Alex here, pccom. Today we are going to do some oiling, and basically the best oil that you can use for decking is Libron decking oil. It's a good quality oil and it does a good job. So we're going to put 2 coats. The first coat we apply, and then afterwards we wait for a while till it gets dry, maybe about an hour and a half, and then we apply the second coat. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do the oiling of this decking. So basically you apply a little bit like that. Make sure you get right into the corners. Like so. Put plenty on, you know. You can always brush it out later on. So you just apply it and just leave it like that. Same here. Make sure you get into the grooves. Because the first coat is very important, you put plenty in there, so because it draws it into the wood. And then the second coat is just the top coat that gives it a better shine and better coloring, see? So put plenty of oil, and I'll do one more, so you just put there. Just smoothly brush it one way, not that way, the way it's running, the way the wood grooves is. And that's it. Thank you. As you can see, we've now finished oiling the decking, and as you can see, we put 2 coats on here, and it looks brilliant. You know, it looks like brand new. So remember, two different coats, 2 coats. First one, it soaks into the wood. The second one just gives it a nice shine. And that's it. Lovely. Thank you very much.